In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a stand in the game Please Donate in Roblox. Make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, you're going to begin by actually going to the Roblox web page and clicking on Create. You must do this before claiming a stand in Please Donate because you won't be able to have anything to sell. You're going to click Manage My Experiences, and then click on Your Place. It should be the public one. Everyone has one by default. Now, once you are here, you're going to click on Associated Items. Now, you have the option to make badges, passes, or developer products. For this stand, you're going to do a pass. Now, as you can see, I already have a pass created, so this is what it's going to look like once it is created. Click on Create a Pass, and you're going to upload an image, create a name for your pass, and then also create a description. Since I already have a pass created, I'm going to go to that one, but you can create yours however you would like. For example, mine is called Please. Now, as you can see, you are then going to go to Sales. So click on Sales and make sure that it is ticked off that this item is for sale. You can then put it on sale for any price in Robux that you want. Mine is $35, but as Robux takes about 30% of your earnings, make sure that you see the price that you want right here. Now you're going to go back to the game Please Donate once that pass is created and it is for sale, and you're going to walk over to an unclaimed stand. You're then going to click E to claim the stand. As you can see, my stand is created and I have raised 35 Robux. Now, you can actually edit your stand by adding text, like saying hi, and you can also change the actual look of your stand by using the booth model. Now, as you can see, my stand has my pass here and anyone can come and donate, and it's that simple. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.